Hello, my name is Jim VanderSteeg, and I'm the president and CEO of Covenant Health. And we thought today maybe I would take a few minutes and give you a little insight and a little update into things that are going on in Covenant Health that you as an individual in the community may want to know. Many of you know that about 4 or 5 weeks ago, we made a decision in the whole community to stop doing outpatient procedures, both diagnostic and surgery. And obviously that was a challenging time for all the organizations in Knoxville. And for many of you that are watching this, it was a challenging time for you as you've been asked to put certain things on hold. I'm excited today to announce that starting this week, we've started doing outpatient procedures again. And then on May 4th, we'll start doing outpatient surgery. And then a week to follow that, we'll start doing surgeries that could become inpatient as well. As I thought about this, I thought one of the things that's really important for me to do is to make sure you know as a community member that we're working very, very hard to keep you safe if you need to come in for a procedure. We've got policies and procedures for staff in terms of what they wear to protect themselves, to protect you. We've got procedures as well for you if you come in terms of wearing a mask and things like that. We have a cleaning policy and procedure. So I want you to know that if your physician has asked you to go get something done within a Covenant facility, that you can feel confident that we've taken significant measures to make sure we're protecting you and to protect our staff. We have been overwhelmed within Covenant Health by the support that we've received from the community. I'll just give you a couple examples of some of the things that have occurred. At our hospital at Park West in Morristown, we've had people get in their cars, roll down their windows, and pray for the staff in the hospital and pray for the patients that are in the hospital. I cannot tell you how much that has meant to the staff members that are in those organizations, as well as me as the CEO. How important prayer is. And so I want to tell you thank you for that. We've had churches and other businesses that have brought food to our staff. And I'm excited at the end when we're through this to say a big thank you to the community in terms of all the people that have done things. We've had people that have made masks. We've had a company here in Knoxville, Prestige Cleaner, Eddie Manis, who's made a mask for us. We call it the Manis mask. And so I've been very, very impressed. We've all been very, very impressed by the community's response in terms of supporting us. The final thing I wanted to mention to you is that last week, or late last week, we sent out a challenge to our community to help us create 10,000 masks in 10 days for our 10 hospitals. We're 5 days in. You all have given us 3,700 masks, which is awesome. And for those of you who are watching this, I would encourage you, go to the Covenant website. We can tell you how and show you how to make a mask. These masks will be used primarily for guests and visitors who come into our organization who do not have a mask. It's important for them. It's also important that we can help protect our higher level personal protective equipment, which we call PPE. So the more people come into our organization, guests, visitors, and patients that have a mask on, that is a barrier mask, the better off we all are in terms of protecting our very, very valuable resources. So I want to tell you, I'm excited about the future. Our economy is going to start going again. And from a healthcare perspective, as I said earlier, we're going to start our outpatient procedures up over the next couple of weeks. And I want you to know again, above everything, that we are working very, very hard to keep you safe and that you can feel good if you need to come into one of our facilities, that we're doing everything to keep you very, very safe. So again, thank you for all you do. You're an incredible community, and we're so excited that we are part of this community as well. Thank you.